Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you love tomato soup, then you are gonna love this little option here. This is from Progresso, and this is the hearty tomato soup. This is a vegetarian and gluten-free soup, and it is very tasty, and I really like it. And what's nice about this soup is that it's not a totally smooth soup. It's got some tomato chunks in it. So if you like a more like hearty or chunky style soup, then you might really like this one. So I like this a lot. It has a really nice flavor to it. It's very well balanced. It's perfect on a cold day, maybe with a grilled cheese sandwich. And you can also use this as a base for adding things to it. So if you wanted to add a protein or some more ingredients to this, it's a nice like blank canvas of a tomato soup, so you can add things to it if you like, or it's delicious on its own. So if you're looking for a tasty tomato soup, then I would definitely recommend this one from Progresso. I have really enjoyed eating it, and that's my point of view.